Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking. Today's video is how you can meal plan effectively. There is a fruit and vegetable haul. I also found a way to make your kids eat fruits without running after them, if you know what I mean, moms. I'm hoping at the end of this video, you are able to meal plan effectively so that you can save time and money for yourselves. Izakameza tuzitereke. One of the advantages I've learned about meal planning, it makes lunch or dinner hustle easier. You know, you walk into that kitchen and you know exactly what you're going to cook. It's not like everyone is telling you, one is telling you, let's have posho, another one, let's have Irish, another one, let's have rice. No, you know exactly what you're going to do. That makes it easier. You avoid the most dreaded question ever. What's for dinner? What's for lunch? Because you already wrote it down on the menu, it is right there for everybody to see. So no one is asking. They already know what you are going to have. Meal planning also avoids food going bad and ending up in the trash can, because before you bought this food, you planned to have it. So you're going to cook it no matter what. Other than when you didn't plan for it, you wake up and you're like, we are not having that. It ends up being in the fridge forever. Meal planning avoids that. Before you sit down to meal plan, do a tour around your kitchen and refrigerator. You can start meal planning by using what you already have in your fridge, and that's an advantage. Another thing to look out while you're meal planning, get everyone involved. You don't want to fill the menu with only your ideas. Don't be selfish. Let everyone in the family have a say in what they would like to have, if it is within your budget. As you meal plan, look through your fridge, see what's missing so that you don't buy a lot of it. You can end up using things in the fridge that you already have for meal planning, which will eventually save you some money. When the meal planning was done, my husband went to the market and he knew exactly what he was going to get. So here we have beans, cabbage, green peas, green pepper, pumpkin, greens, coriander, tomatoes, yams, carrots, and onions. We keep interchanging the fruits every week. So this week we are having pineapple, apples, pawpaw, mangoes, oranges, and some passion fruits. Because we buy our vegetables fresh from the farm to the market, they are not the cleanest. So before I keep them, I clean them with water and vinegar, and I also dry some of them. Here is how you say goodbye to crying while cutting onions. Soak them in water for an hour, then peel off the outer part. Store them in an airtight container. They will stay fresh for the next 10 days. And as you're using them, cutting them, you will never cry again. This is what I do if I want the kids to eat fruits. Put them on one plate and let the four share from here. I tell them I want to see who eats more. So it's like a competition. I enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoyed it as well. I hope it inspired you to do a meal planning at your house so that you can save time and money. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel or you have been watching and you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a fantastic week. What?